Hi everyone, I'm Tudor from Prokuria, and in today's tutorial, we'll explore the seamless supplier onboarding process through Prokuria's supplier portal. First, let's take a look at the public form that suppliers receive. This form can be shared through various channels, such as social media or direct invitations. Buyers can customize this form with their own fields and terminology. As a supplier, I'll fill out the form to showcase the simplicity of the process. Once completed, I will hit the Submit button. After submitting the form, suppliers receive a confirmation email. This email assures them that their submission has been received and will be reviewed promptly. Let's take a quick look at that email. This is an example of how the email may look like, and it can be fully customized. Now, let's switch roles to see what the buyer experiences. Whenever a supplier submits the form, the buyer receives an email notification. In this email, there is a View Form button, and clicking on it will take us to the completed form. I have the option to either create or reject the supplier. Let's proceed with the approval process. Once approved, the supplier is automatically created in Prokuria's supplier directory. This is the supplier that has just been created. From here, the buyer can begin the onboarding process. By selecting the Start Onboarding button, the supplier will be notified via email with further details on how to access the supplier portal. And this is how the email looks like.
Clicking on the Access Portal button will redirect suppliers to the portal page. Let me show you how. Now we are on the portal login page. Here, suppliers input their email address and receive a one-time password for an added layer of security. Here is the email with the one-time password. I will copy and paste the code to log in securely. In the supplier portal, we need to fill in the supplier questionnaire from the review form section. The other two sections are empty because in this video we are focusing on the supplier onboarding part, the very first interaction of the suppliers with the buyers. Now I will open up the supplier questionnaire and I will begin filling in the information. After completing the questionnaire, don't forget to click Save and Submit. You will see that the status will change to Submitted. Now that the status is changed to Submitted, there is one step remaining, and that is the approval process. Now, let's switch hats and see things from the buyer's side. As a buyer, you'll receive an email notification once the supplier submits the questionnaire. This email will have a View Form button. Let's check it out. This is how the submission notification email may look like. The email is fully customizable and you can add your own text. Clicking on the View Form button redirects you to the supplier profile page. The submitted questionnaire can be accessed in the supplier review form by clicking on the supplier questionnaire. Here, buyers will see the completed questionnaire that suppliers submitted. This questionnaire has 4 different approvals and it requires the user's input to be fully approved. I am logged in as Andrew Kent from the IT department and I will showcase how simple it is to approve the questionnaire. All I need to do is click on the Approve button and the status and date fields update automatically. The remaining 3 approvers should follow the exact same steps to approve the questionnaire in their Prokuria accounts. Let's assume that it got fully approved. You can see how the status and date fields updated for all the users. Now, the form status changed to approved and the approved on field updated with the 4th user's approval date, 20th of December. The last step is to go back to the supplier profile and click on the Finish Onboarding button to notify the supplier. Thank you for watching our supplier onboarding tutorial. Have a great day.